Good morning students. How are you all? Hope all are fine and all are doing well. So, previous classes we have completed lesson 2 and textbook exercise also. So, today we are going to revise once again. Today we are going to revise once again lesson 2. What is the name of the lesson? Me. What is the name of the lesson 2? Me. So, all of you open the textbook page number 9. Hope all have purchased the books. If not, please go and purchase the books. It is compulsory. Without books, you are unable to read and write. So, those who have textbook, please open the textbook page number 9. That is lesson 2. Name of the lesson, me. See, I have 10 little fingers and 10 little toes. Hold up 10 fingers, 2 little arms and 1 little nose. Raise arms and then point to nose. 1 little mouth and 2 little ears. Point to mouth and ears. So, in the lesson I have explained that we have 10 little fingers. Shall we count our fingers? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Totally we have 10 fingers and 10 little toes. See, look in this picture, this boy. Look at this boy. See, this boy is having 10 little toes. Not only this boy, all human beings are having 10 little fingers and 10 little toes. 2 little arms and 1 little nose. So, these are our arms, right arm and left arm. So, and 1 little nose. This is our nose. Next, 1 little mouth and 2 little ears. This is our mouth and these are our 2 ears. 2 little eyes for smiles and tears. These are our eyes. We can smile with our, when we smile, we can see the feelings in our eyes also. When someone scolds you, you start crying. These drops of water are called what? Tears. Next, 1 little head and 2 little feet. See, this is our head and 2 little feet. See, these are our feet, 2 feet. Next, 1 little chin, that's me, complete. This is our chin. So, these are the complete body parts. So, shall we revise the hard words of this lesson? Yes. L-I-T-T, L-E little, F-I-N-G-E-R-S fingers, T-O-E-S toes, A-R-M-S arms, N-O-S-E nose, R-A-I-S-E race, P-O-I-N-T point, M-O-U-T-H mouth, S-M-I-L-E-S smiles, T-E-A-R-S tears, E-V-E-R-Y-O-N-E-one, everyone. H-E-A-D head, S-H-A-K-E shake, C-H-I-N chin, C-O-M-P-L-E-T-E complete. All of you look at the board. Read along with me. L-I-T-T-L-E little, L-I-T-T-L-E little, F-I-N-G-E-R-S fingers, F-I-N-G-E-R-S fingers, T-O-E-S toes, T-O-E-S toes, A-R-M-S arms, ARMS, arms. NOSE, nose. NOSE, nose. RAISE, race. RAISE, race. POINT, point. POINT, point. MOUTH, mouth. MOUTH, mouth. SMILES, smiles. SMILES, smiles. TEARS, tears. TEARS, tears. EVERYONE, everyone. EVERYONE, everyone. HEAD, head. HEAD, head. SHAKE, shake. SHAKE, shake. CHIN, chin. CHIN, chin. COMPLETE, complete. COMPLETE, complete. So these are the hard words. Those who have no textbooks, please note down these hard words, because based on this I am going to give you worksheet, homework. I will give you homework. Okay, those who have no textbook, please note down these hard words. Once again read along with me. LITTLE, little. FINGERS, fingers. TOES, toes. ARMS, arms. NOSE, nose. RAISE, race. POINT, point. MOUTH, mouth. SMILES, smiles. TEARS, tears. EVERYONE, everyone. HEAD, head. SHAKE, shake. CHIN, chin. COMPLETE, complete. See, these hard words are very important. You have to read and practice these hard words. If you are practicing these hard words, it will be very easy to read the lesson. It will help you to read the lesson, and these hard words are included in question answers also. At that time you can read and write the question answers easily. Okay, so I will give exercise homework to you. Fill the missing letters of given hard words. First one, L dash, T dash, L dash. Second one, F dash, NG dash RS. Third one, R dash, IS dash. Fourth one, P dash, IN dash. Fifth one, S M dash, L dash S. Sixth one, S dash, A K dash. Seventh one, M dash U dash H. Eighth one. E dash E dash Y O N dash. Ninth one. C dash M P L dash T dash. Tenth one. C H dash N. So, fill the missing letters of given hard words. These are the hard words. I have revised just now. So, you have to write the missing letters of the given hard words. L dash, T dash, L dash. Second one, F dash, N, G dash, R, S. Third one, R dash, I, S dash. Fourth one, P dash, I, N dash. Fifth one, S, M dash, L dash, S. Sixth one, S dash, A, K dash. Seventh one, M dash, U dash, H. Eighth one, E dash, Y, O, N dash. Ninth one, C dash, M, P, L dash, T dash. Tenth one, C, H dash, N. So, you have to fill the missing letters of given hard words and you have to post to your concerned class teacher. Okay. So, before I have revised the hard words, same that hard words I have given you home tasks. This is the home task, today's home task, homework. You have to fill the missing letters of the given hard words and you have to send to your concerned class teacher. Write neatly and get good result. Okay. If you are not posting your answer, your name will not be added in the grades list. So, study well, practice well and complete the home task and send to your concerned class teacher. Once again I will revise these hard words. L-I-T-T, L-E, little, F-I-N-G-E-R-S, fingers, T-O-E-S, toes, A-R-M-S, arms, N-O-S-E, nose, R-A-I-S-E, race, P-O-I-N-T, point, M-O-U-T-H, mouth, E-A-R-S, ears, P-O-I-N-T, point, S-M-I-L-E-S, smiles, T-E-A-R-S, tears, E-V-E-R-Y, O-N-E, one, everyone, H-E-A-D, head, S-H-A-K-E, shake, H-E-A-D, head, F-E-E-T, feet, C-H-I-N, chin, C-O-M-P-L-E-T-E, complete. So, before writing the worksheet, before doing the homework, once you go through the textbook page number 9, you read the lesson, you practice the hard words and then you try to do your homework yourself. Don't take the help of your parents. Okay? This is the homework, today's homework. L-T-L-E. Second one, F-N-G-R-S. Third one, R-A-I-S dash. Fourth one, P-I-N dash. So, complete the homework and send to your concerned class group. That's all for today. Thank you.